Hello all. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting trend shaping the packaging world in 2025. Why leading PP woven bag manufacturers are upgrading their production lines with automatic liner insertion machines. If you're in the packaging business, this is something you definitely don't want to miss. Let's get started. Have you ever lost a big export order just because your bags didn't have a liner? It sounds like a small thing, but in 2025, that small detail is costing companies big money. Across the PP woven bag industry, something major is happening. Manufacturers are upgrading. And one machine is leading the change: the BCS liner insertion machine. Industry insight. Buyers no longer want just a bag. They want protection, shelf life, hygiene. Moisture-sensitive products like food grains, poultry feed, fertilizers, sugar industry, paint industry, chemical industry, milk powder industry, and disposable hospital packing. They all demand bags with inner liners. But manual liner insertion? It's slow, it's inconsistent, and it burns your labor hours. That's why forward-thinking manufacturers are saying, enough is enough. It's time for precision. It's time for automation. In India alone, over 70% of fertilizer packaging by government agencies now mandates liner-inserted woven sacks. Today, even government-approved fertilizers and essential commodities are packed exclusively in PP woven bags with inner liners, because protection, moisture resistance, and product safety are non-negotiable. The solution: BCS Liner Insertion Machine. The BCS Liner Insertion Machine by Five Fingers Exports, engineered to make liner insertion fast, accurate, and fully automatic. With servo-controlled precision, it cuts, inserts the liner, and then stitches the bags exactly where it needs to be, inside the bag, perfectly aligned. Want to know the specs? Speed: up to 30 to 35 bags per minute. Works with HDPE and LDPE liners about 30 to 80 microns. Hot to cold cutting in less than 2 minutes. Liner customization. Touchscreen controls, servo tension management, all in one system. No misalignment, no wastage. Just flawless, repeatable results that win client trust. So, here's the question: are you ready to step up your game in 2025? Because leaders in the PP woven bag world aren't waiting. They've automated their liner process, and they're winning bigger, better orders. Make the smart move. Invest in reliability. Choose the BCS liner insertion machine from Five Fingers Exports. And stay ahead in technology. Contact us now to schedule your free live demo and take the first step towards boosting your business efficiency. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.